Hi, do you want to make a beautiful logo and you don't know how to make that logo and you are thinking to hire someone? But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you with simple text you can make your professional logo without any problems. And you can also save your money. And that tool is completely free and given by Google itself. And if the tool which Google is giving to you, it means it has some values and it will exactly boost your company, your institution, or your any personal brand. Therefore, without wasting any time, now let's get started. If you have not subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'm going to show you here. First thing is first, you have to just turn on your VPN if you are not in United States. Okay, therefore you have to install any VPN and just make sure that you have your location USA, and then you are going to write like whisk. Maybe you are going to click in here and write whisk Google. Okay, and then you are going to click the first link, which is about the whisk. Now here you will get the complete load, but remember you have to write your you have to enable your VPN as well. Okay. Now see that the receipt was shared with you and try sweeping. Okay, we are going to make our own, but there is one of the example here as well. Then now what I'm going to do, if I need any logo, then I'm going to try it. For example, make educational logo. There is the three words which I have given to that Google Whisk. But for now, we will see that what will be the outcome. Okay, that is the two outcome as expected. And if I'm going to say that the text should be should be professional tutorial. Okay, now let's see what it will give me with the text. And also if we are going to define the color, the style, everything, you can just write that in your this prompt, and you can see that that is one of the best option. I like the font, I like the overall view of that one, but we are also going to write like what sort of color we need. Yeah, should be the color should be blue, maybe blue and yellow. Okay, and the bright color, we need the bright color for our education, for example. And you can see that, yeah, yeah, it is giving me some more option. If you need any other variation, you can just click on that one. But the same, like I have given the same prompt but different variation here, you can see that one. Okay, here is one thing, and that is also one of the nice option. If we can add like there should be uh symbol symbol without cap. I don't need that cap. Okay, because it could be like for graduation or for anything, but it has like again given that once again, but that is the clean version of that one. Okay, if I write like there should not be cap, we are going to remove. How about make educational, maybe make travel logo, and I'm going to change, and I have given everything similar to that one. Yeah, the first logo looks that it is going exactly where we are going, but maybe there should be symbol like tree, mountains, and aeroplane, maybe. And we are going to just giving that and looking that how far we can go and see different version of our logo. Yeah, that seems good. The logo should look professional and unique. Okay, I'm adding more information. As far as I'm going to see that how it is looking and how we are just understanding the information. See, now it is looking very, very good. Now I like that one very much. And also this one is very nice. Okay, how about if we are going to check once again, because I have used the word unique and professional, and it is giving me like the professional logo as well. It's not a childish logo, but that is not exactly what I want. Okay, one more information which I'm going to give you from here, and we are going to add the subject here. Okay, now let the whisk analyze everything, and we are going to now add once more. You are going to experiment with that one. Like, see, you are getting much more amazing logo right now. See, that seems very good. For example, let me just check some more variation and see if it is like, yeah. How about if I'm going to say that the text should be on the top of the circle like a curve? The text should be on the top of the circle like a curve. I have just given more information, and let's see. Yeah, I need that one. And it should be bold and should should be bold. Okay, not gold, but bold. And the size should be big enough. Okay. We are giving information. Yeah, yeah, that is what we are looking for. Mm-hmm. That is very nice. But there is some like graphics which we have to work on that one. Maybe this is looking good as well. If I'm going to click once again, yeah. See how much information you are giving and what a beautiful logo. I like that one very much. Yeah, that is good. That is very nice. Okay, let's see how much we are going to get different logo. Yeah, always the white, the color with white is very nice because it is giving light negative space. We are giving that one. Maybe check next. And we are just analyzing. Yeah, nice. That is also nice. The logo which I like the most, and it is that logo, and maybe that one. But the text we should like replace that one. And the best part is like if you are going to like that logo, for example, if you like that logo or maybe that logo, you can animate that as well. You just need to animate and give some prompt as well, and it will be like your logo will be ready for the production for your YouTube intro or for your drama movie, anything which you are interested. You can add that one as well. And that is how we are just giving information and analyzing and getting that logo, and it is ready. And you are going to get or take that logo and directly print in your shirt, maybe in your website, use that anywhere. And that is how you are going to use today and make logo with very simple steps. I hope you got the idea how you are going to make a logo. And if you like that video, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos, because we are going to create the videos which give value to your life. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.